Dobry wieczór.
Dobry wieczór.
Oh, dobry wieczór. Good evening, everybody. Just another day, another night in Poland. And now we are in
Square. And Market Square, Old Market Square here in Poznań, but it's already 10 p.m. It's night, go what's up. And people are happy. A lot of visitors here. Definitely totally different atmosphere when I used to film during the winter and the New Year here. It's lively and it's unique because it's Poznań, so it's different. Each city is a little bit different, but we're gonna show you around.
Yes, so normally I'll show you in the afternoon, but today we show you how is the nightlife in Poland, especially in Poznan. So yeah, I'll show you. So this is actually how is the summer vibe. If you can see that the clock tower over there, it's 10. So it's 10 at night, right, Kohanye? The more night, the more busy. What I can say then. This on the right, on the left side, all the restaurants. I think that the seating are taken. So I'll take you to stroll around, basically. So if you plan to come to Poznan and you're thinking about how is the nightlife, because mostly I only record in the afternoon and then at night Damian's working. Tak, Kohanye?
But today I have a time because especially for you to come to here to make this video for you, but also gonna enjoy some time, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, I really like the light, the street lights, people having a great time during the summer. On the left, on the right side. And what I can say that the weather is basically slightly cooler than in the afternoon. So you see that even like me, I'm wearing my jacket. But Damian
it's just perfectly fine. It's about 24, 23 degree at 10 p.m. It's just perfect weather.
Yes. So I think that we will have a sit somewhere. Tak, Kohanye? Let's have something to drink. It's over there. Nice.
There are some nice restaurants.
Oh, look at this. Very nice. As you see that.
It's got a nice fire attraction, yeah? Like a watermelon. And you can hear the bell now.
Ding dong time. Oh, even it's night, the ding dong is also working.
Restaurant is nice.
But all the tables are taken, Kohanye.
Yeah, because the best decoration, so that's why they are
And look at the what is it? The building, the Kamienica, tak?
very nice architecture, isn't it?
Tak. I wonder that if the people who lives there and every day they see like this, and
Yeah,
yes.
it's just nice. You can see the architecture of the square and the city hall and everything. It's just nice. It's very European style with the fountains and the people enjoying the time and everything.
Yes, nice. Oh, the fountain still work, Kohanye. Right, and I think that the restaurant on the right, whiskey in the jar, it's full. So maybe we will go somewhere, tak, Kohanye?
Yeah, let's find the place. Let's have a drink.
So let's keep walking to show you how is the vibe at night. The light, it's beautiful, nice. Once again, here during the summer, the daytime is a very long. Tak, Kohanye?
It's just 10 p.m. It's just getting dark actually.
Tak.
And the sunrise is at 4:45 a.m.
Yes. Nice. It's so lovely.
Yeah, you can also get into small alleys, and there are also restaurants and everything there. Maybe you wanna have a look.
Oh, what's the pink light there? That's
There's
the club.
some club, but I'm not sure if it's open. There's another club on the other corner as well. Let's have a drink.
And here is another restaurant. Basically, Kohanye. Where are we gonna sit? So, summer holidays in Poznan look like this. Ah, the fountain. Do you prefer in summer or in winter?
For me, it doesn't matter. All seasons are nice.
Ah, okay. Let's go.
How about you?
I never seen in winter. I cannot decide yet.
Okay.
But I think that living in the four seasons must be interesting. Remember, I am the optimistic lady. Yes. Oh, look at that in front of me. That's also in the corner. And here on the right is the restaurant. We just keep walking and walking, looking for the empty seats. Oh, nice. And the kids at 10 here still walking. Oh, the buskers as well, tak? Oh, this one the club? Nice. So, this is just like a walking tour at night. Honey, what is it? That one on the top? Why the light? Is it discotheque?
Part of decorations only.
No, it's not the nightclub.
Or maybe nightclub as well. I don't know. You wanna find out?
Ah, I see. Yes, you see that one on the top?
Yeah, maybe. They transformed the old Kamenica into party place.
Okay. Right, so we almost come to the end. Kohanye,
Yeah.
where would you like to have a seat?
I don't know. We have to find out. But it's nice, enjoyable, isn't it?
Right, it's nice. But I heard that when we came here, there are so many British people coming to Poznan, right? Yeah. Look at this restaurant. It is just a different vibe, what I can say, at night mostly. Nice. And look at that building at night. So many buskers. Nice. Kohanye. Ah, you are so cute. And look at the couple in front of me. Nice headband. It's nice. Cute.
You wonder why, huh?
So cute. Stolat. Yezeras. Zezeras.
Somebody request, huh?
Ah, so we decided to sit in one restaurant basically. And this is actually the vibe on Saturday night. Hanya, dobry wieczór. What do you order?
Rubber, mango flavor.
Okay, I order the low sugar grapefruit 0.0 alcohol.
Mine is mango.
Oh, your mango.
By the way, leh is Poznanian.
Leshu. Cheers. So you have to put in a glass like this?
Yeah, just be careful, it will
Okay.
make a foam.
Cheers. Oh, look at that, kochani. I think that the more night, the more busier, tak, kochani? Nice.
Cheers, honey. Sayang, you're drinking the beer? Leshu? Nice.
flavor.
Yeah, I told you. Then you can try mango.
Okay.
This one is grapefruit, this one is mango.
I prefer the mango.
Oh yeah?
Can this one?
Mango? Okay, I know you are Asian, so you need to have a mango tropical fruit. Oh, Sion. It's zero alcohol, but nice, huh? How do you feel, babe?
So good. So good. And it's nice to see that how people enjoying the weekend. And it's really great to surrounded by lots of people like this. And it's just like, worth the hype, I think.
Totally different, right? Talking like discussing for 10 minutes about comparing this one to Bali and our experience. My experience as the foreigner, I mean, I'm from Poland, but foreigner in Bali, like vice versa now. And I could make a separate video for that, so maybe not today. I would like to just notice that then let's look at behind Winnie. This is the corner of the square, 11 p.m. Look how clean it is and look how peaceful it is. I mean, no problems, no issues, no weird things.
Honey, nobody gonna try you sell a bracelet kami,
Yeah,
sarong kami.
yeah.
Nobody force you to buy. Okay?
It's just
You just need to sit, enjoy your drink.
you even drink the beer in the nice glass, not like just from the bottle, you know.
It's just different.
Small thing, but it's different. You know what I mean?
Oh. How much is it? The 2 beers, Kohan? 2 beers and also Fritki. It costs you 14.6. Nice.
This is the Wrocławska Street, which is the Półwiejska connection and the Kupiec, which is the main junction. That's why most people coming from this street. And it's already after 11, so it's the biggest time and it's the most busiest time in general, around 11 midnight. Already people, some of them they already drunk, some of them they already feel hot, so now they are enjoying, you know. And some of the restaurants already closing down, so now they have to be on the square, eventually in the club.
Nice. Thank you for the explanation, Kohani. So just like that one, you know, you see on the top there, people are already dancing in the club. So after 11, it's just like the nightlife is started. Kohani, so we are going home now, honey?
Yeah, I think it's enough. It's getting chilly actually.
Uh-huh.
I start feeling chilly. I asked Winnie to wear the jacket, and lucky she took it because other than that you will not be able to hang out. Tomorrow we're going somewhere at morning, so I will see you tomorrow, and you're gonna continue vlogging tomorrow, right?
Tak. And I'll take you to the one small street where I see that there are so many people are hanging out. They're in the bar, tak? And here is the bar situation. And we will go find a parking. Oh, this one is the night bar basically. Nice. Very nice.